let's appreciate some of the art in The Seven Deadly Sins. I love the sound effect in comic books, and I like to read them to myself in my head. I don't know if any of you guys relate, but to me, I'm like, blam, blam, cling, clang. You know, I'm really immersed. Blam, blam, ah! I don't know, do you do that too? Is it just a me thing? Push, snap. Anyway, I'm having fun. Cling, cling, cling. Can you hear it in your head? Push! I feel like I hear the rattling of the chains, personally, but, pick, 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 yeah. This is top tier. I should be a voice actor. Look at this. Anyway, bump! This is how I read my comics. Do you do this too? Is this how you read your comics? Anyway, this is TKO Studios.